Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 25. So you have 4 items given to you here. 1 says it's a rapid, constant and irregular motion of tiny particles. 2 says it gives evidence that tiny particles of matter called molecules exist. 3 says it takes place only in gases. 4 says it gives evidence that molecules are in a constant state of random motion. Now this is the question here. Which of the combinations above is correct about Brownian motion? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2 and 4 only. Now, Brownian motion is the term used to illustrate the constant random motion, okay, that gas molecules or particles undergo. So that is what Brownian motion is all about. So let's analyze each of the items given to us. So 1 says it's a rapid, constant and irregular motion of tiny particles. Now this is also, yes, a description of Brownian motion, so it is correct about Brownian motion. Now 2 says it gives evidence that tiny particles of matter called molecules exist. Now Brownian motion does not give evidence, okay, the keyword here is evidence of existence of molecules. Brownian motion does not prove the existence of molecules, so it is not the answer, or it is not part of the answers. Now 3 says it takes place only in gases. Yes, Brownian motion is only studied in gases. And then 4 says it gives evidence that molecules are in a constant state of random motion. Like we stated in this definition, it is also correct. So that is 1, 3 and 4. So 1, 3 and 4 only is option C. So C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.